Welcome to my channel, Gadgets for a Gentleman. This is Lawrence. I had a fantastic week here at SBH Maxorata Resort. The SBH chain has wonderful hotels. The staff is super friendly. The hotel is very clean. This hotel got renovated in 2018, so everything is brand new. And in this short video, I'm just gonna take you on a little tour in the hotel so you get an impression of what staying in this wonderful hotel feels like. So let's go inside. So in this area you can just get yourself a drink, and they also have like coffee, beer, wine. So this is the main area for dining, breakfast, lunch, and in the evening for dinner. You can go to the buffet, get anything you like to eat, and you can sit down anywhere you like with a beautiful view. I have a very dangerous food allergy, and in this hotel it has not been a problem whatsoever. I just asked the staff if this food is safe for me to eat. They say yes or no, and I'm just enjoying all the food in here. Now let me show you the buffet and give you an impression of what to expect. And what I like to do is get myself a place here, always very sunny. And as you can see, when you're at these tables right here, you have like this spectacular view of Fuerteventura. Now let me show you the buffet. And, currently they're setting up for dinner, so not all the plates are ready yet, but it will be in a minute. And then all the guests will come in. So we are having the first peek at this beautiful dinner. All the dessert is right here. And here you have these chocolate fountain, which is super popular with the marshmallows. Very nice cakes. Hola! So this is all pretty. As you can see, there's so much. Here there's always fresh food. We have some fish right over here. Some lemons. Yes. As you can see, there's like so much for like everyone. There's chicken. This is the area with a lot of cold dishes. As you can see, like beautiful things, and all the food is like labeled with these stickers. So if you have like, for example, an allergy for these seafoods, then you know to stay away from this one. And let's proceed here. Beautiful food and a lot of ham. There's like a lot of cheese and my favorite, figs and dates. Cheese, salads. So much for offering here. Even all your dressings, artichokes. So much food. First of all, just gonna show you some more pasta. Very nice. With pastas. And this part is mostly for vegetarians. So as you can see, also for vegetarians, there's so much on offer. And I think that's amazing. Here even with eggplant. Beautiful. So that was just a small impression of the main restaurant. The food in this hotel is like really amazing, and if you eat so much, you might need to do some exercises. There is a running track, there is all kinds of fitness machines, and right here there's also these bicycles with a view of the ocean. The Maxorata hotel is also child friendly. Right here in the first part we have splash park. When the parents of the children hit the button, then water will splash out of all these different holes, and children, they can play in this splash park. In the second field we have a children's club where they can enjoy themselves. And here in the third area we have a volleyball court with real sand. And in the final part we have a tennis court with artificial grass, and you can also use it to play some football. So for both children and adults there's plenty of sport activities to do here. Yep, just a very nice bathroom in here. Very modern design. Yep. And as you can see, this is for the premium hotel guests. They get like drinks every day. And also they have a safe for all your important items, including your passport, beautiful bathrobes. And now here comes the most spectacular part. So right here you get your own swimming pool. So when you wake up in the morning, you can just jump out of bed, and here you have your own little pool. So that's really something. This was the tour of the hotel that I'm staying in. Unfortunately, I did not go for the option with the private pool. So next time I will definitely get the room with the pool. I think it's so amazing. And as you can see, the beautiful area here. The hotel, I think it was very calm. The food was great. The staff was amazing. So definitely totally worth it. I'll leave a link in the description of the website of the hotel. And if you have any comments or questions, then leave them down below in this video, and I will look into it. And yeah, have a wonderful day and see you soon.